Meaning of infant.
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 Infant. The term infant refers to a very young child, typically under the age of 1 year. This stage of life is characterized by rapid physical and cognitive development, as the infant learns to interact with their environment, communicate, and develop basic skills such as sitting, crawling, and eventually walking and talking. During this period, infants are highly dependent on caregivers for all of their needs, and require consistent love, support, and stimulation in order to thrive. Though brief, the infant stage is a critical period of development that lays the foundation for a child's growth and future well-being.